Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. In today's DIY video, I'm going to tell you guys how to make a pen or holder. For that, we will be needing a cardboard. As you can see, I have already rolled it up like this. We will be needing 3 different sizes of cardboard. In this one, I have wrapped it up with a color sheet. I'm going to show you how to do that. Take an A4 size sheet and cut it according to your requirement. And then roll it up and glue it with the help of a U-hook. Press it a little harder so that it gets stable on the place. Roll it up. Glue it at the other end of the paper. Hold it for 2-3 seconds. Press it. Our 2 rolls are ready, and now we're going to repeat the process for this one. Cut it according to the measurement. So now, as you can see, we have covered the cardboard with a color sheet, and this is how it looks. Now we're going to glue them all together with the help of a glue gun. Press it so that it gets stick to one another. We're going to do the same with this one, so they get aligned. Now, to give it a base, we're gonna take a piece of a cardboard and place it underneath. And then again, we're gonna stick it with the glue gun. So now we have a mold. To make it look more interesting, I have some stencils which I'm gonna paint and stick them. For that, to make a color similar to the chart color, we're going to mix 2 colors, white and blue. As you can see, we have an aqua color. I have 2 hearts and a tail and a face of a cat or whatever. So we're just gonna paint them. Okay, so now we have the holder. It looks like that, and we have some stencils which I'm gonna paste. We're gonna glue it from behind. Now we're gonna paste the face right here. So this is how it looks like, and now we're gonna paint it to cover the cardboard. You have to do it carefully so that it doesn't ruin the color paper. I'm just gonna give a little shade of blue all over to create a rough texture. You can do many other things that appeals you, and now we have a tail that we have to paint. There we go. To add up the eyes, we have some googly eyes, which I'm gonna stick. Now we're going to add some googly eyes. With the help of the marker, we can make this is the final product. You can put your stationery things, or you can even put your makeup stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching.